Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate assignment 6 because this assignment is our midterm assignment, so it have larger weights in your final grading. Basically, this assignment is based on your assignment 6, so before drawing these assignments, you should have your assignment 5 opened, and you should also have the tree blocks downloaded from eCampus. In this assignment, you will continue drawing the furniture, the pavements of your site plan, and then you will finish all the plantings and finally plot your assignment to the PDF. These are all the steps of assignment 6, and final product looks like this. You will use the plot style table you learned in the class to finish the final plot. Okay, let's start this assignment. The first step is to create 4 new layers for the paving outline, paving pattern, planting, and furnitures. So those layer properties are similar to the previous one, but I need to know what is your new design. So you should have the 4 new layers, and you should have at least some geometries drawing on each layers. For example, this is the paving outline, this is the paving pattern, so you cannot have only outlines without pattern. So on each the new layers, you should have something on it, okay? I will go back to this instruction, outline, pattern, planting, and street furniture. Okay. Let me open the layer property window and create 4 new layers. First is the new / paving outline. I will give the yellow color to it. And the next new layer is the new paving pattern. I will give the blue color to it. Sorry, should be cyan. So your new layer should follow the old layer because the old paving pattern is this color. So I will follow this to give the cyan color to it. Next new layer is new planting. I will give the green color. And the last one is street furniture, and give the magenta color. And then follow the instruction. I need to turn off the existing topo and the labels because I don't want those 2 layers to show on my final PDF. Existing topo and labels. Existing topo, so turn off it, and the label also turn off. And I check to make sure that the viewport is set to no plot. And then I can set my current layer to the new paving outline layer to start from this paving outline. Close this window. So those design objects you should draw based on your design purpose, because my design idea is hidden garden and formal garden, so the geometries I drew here is based on the idea. So your drawing should follow your design purpose. If you don't have any ideas, you can also just follow my drawing. And now I will start to draw. And if you don't need to follow my drawing, you can skip this process and just jump to the next one, the planting step. Okay. Let me start drawing at the trees, and the trees width is approximately, I think it's 8 feet. So it doesn't really matter the very accurate scale. You can just draw something which makes sense in the real life. So I will go back to AutoCAD, and I can offset this line to form the lines of my trail. So I will offset this line by 8 feet, and 8 feet again. So I will delete all the text. So all of the trail lines belongs to the new paving outline layer, which is my current layer. I need to do a fillet. So the fillet here is to create the round corner of the trails. So I will create this corner with the radius 2 feet and this radius. So we'll do F spacebar, and the radius is 2 feet, and I will change the radius to 2 plus 8 is 10 feet, and create a round corner like this. And then I will just extend this line by maybe 30 feet, and close the trail line and do fillet. Might be too large, so I may want to do 2 feet. And then I will do this this trail which leads to the door. So I will draw a reference line. So the reference line should be the middle of the door, and it is a horizontal line. And then I will offset to both sides 4 feet. Delete this one. And then I will draw a round corner here by the fillet, and this time I need to redraw it and do the fillet. Okay. Now I finished this trail. Let me move on to draw this circle. So I think this diameter is approximately 30 inches, and the inside one might be offset by 6, so it should be 24. So go back. So I will ignore the location for now and move it later. So the diameter must be 30 feet, and I will offset by 6 feet. Okay, and move it somewhere this. Okay. Then I think I should draw a reference line looks like this, and then I can draw one side of arc and mirror it to the other side. Draw a mirror line connecting the center of the circle, and then might be this point, and I will extend. So this is my mirror line, and then I will draw this rectangle. So this rectangle, let me guess the width be 16 feet, and the length is maybe 24, I guess. It doesn't really matter, so I will draw a rectangle with the dimension. Length is 24, width is 18, something like this. So I will move this middle line, move the midpoint to this middle line, and then I will rotate RO, this point, and I will do a reference R, and the reference let me see. Reference angle should be like this. Then I may want to move it a little up, maybe only 2 feet. Okay. And then I will draw this arc. So because I don't know the circle, or I don't know the center of the circle or the radius, so I will do a 3-point to define the arc. Because it doesn't really matter the dimensions, so you can use multiple ways to draw what you want. So I will use 3-point arc, and first point should be this one, and second point just to roughly click somewhere, and then might be somewhere here, and then I will trim, and then I will offset this arc by 6 feet. So this is a very small trail, and I will do extend to extend the arc to this rectangle and to this circle, and then I will do mirror to mirror this 2 arcs to the other side, and then I will delete this reference line. Okay. Here I need some trimming operation. Trim. Okay, this is my trimming. So I think I have finished all the paving outline. Now let me draw some paving patterns. Switch to the paving pattern, and then I will do arc. So start point, because I know the center, so center. So this is my center, and I will hold Control to switch direction, and then another arc. First point, center. I will hold Control to switch direction, and this endpoint, and then I will trim. And then I will offset this rectangle by 2 feet and put this to the paving pattern. Okay. The street furnitures I will insert later. Let me do this part. The pattern might be useful, so I will copy. Let me do move. I will move the pattern here for future use. And then let me draw a rectangle somewhere here and a dimension. I will do 14 feet by 14 feet. Delete this one. Move it a little bit. And I will offset by 3 feet. It's too large. Let me offset 2 feet. Okay. And another one here is a little small, approximately 10 feet. Rectangle, and let me start at this center point, and dimension is do a 10 feet by 10 feet, and then offset by 2. I will put the one I just drew on the paving, on the street furniture layer. And then I will trim the line inside my street furnitures. And I will extend some of the paving like this, and then I will copy this pattern. So first I need to change the layer of this paving pattern to a new paving pattern layer, and then I will copy it to the inside of the street furnitures. So I will do copy, CO, select, and the base point will pick this midpoint, the center point, and put it. I will do shift and right click and choose mid between 2 points, and I will choose the let me choose the diagonal. So endpoint 1, endpoint 2, okay, and then I will trim all the outside part. For the other pattern line, I can just do delete. Okay, I can copy this one, and I will shift and click this boundary and do copy from this to shift right click, mid between 2 points, point 1, point 2, okay, and then I will trim For the rest of the lines, I will delete them. Okay, and I will delete the old one. Okay, let me check. Now I need to add some street furnitures. So the street furniture include a picnic table here and a bench here and here. Let me open the design center by press Ctrl and 2. Also, you can find it in the file I provided in the eCampus. So let me put this picnic table by dragging it to my plan. But the layer is wrong, so it should be put into the new street furniture. Okay. Then I will move picnic here and rotate. I will rotate by reference. This point should be here, and I will do R for reference. The reference angle is this. So move it and copy another one. Then I have these two benches, which is the same as the existing one. So I go back to AutoCAD. So this is not a block yet, so I will create as a block now. So I will create in the 0 layer. So block. So this is a bench, and I will pick the base point as this point. And specify the objects, select on screen, so these two lines, and I will click OK. I will go to this new street furniture layer to insert the benches to this hidden garden. So I will do insert I and specify the insertion point on screen. So I will insert here and rotate, just roughly rotate, and I will turn off the old snap, just put somewhere here, copy, and then rotate, move. So for those street furnitures, you don't need to have the super accurate location and angle, so because they are just furnitures. And then I think I have finished all the drawings, and let me check if they are drew on the correct layer. So I will do a layer work by typing lay work, spacebar. Let me see. My new paving outline looks good. New paving pattern, and it has some problem because I miss 2 arcs and something, I think. New planting, I have not drew it yet, and street furniture. Also, I don't have the benches. Okay, I will close it. So these should be on New Street Furniture. I know, cause my block is on the 0 layer, so that doesn't matter. But this line, and this line is on the wrong layer, so I will put it to the new paving pattern layer. Okay, let's start to plant trees. First, I will switch my layer to new planting, and then let's see. This is a page of trees, so you should at least have 3 kinds of trees. Okay, I will start from the very big tree, which is, I think, is a deciduous tree. So let me go back to my AutoCAD file. I want to find this file to remember. So remember where you save this file and press Ctrl 2. And my situation, I put it under my C drive and this URPN 220 and topic 6 and myself and tree block. I have this D tree 1, so I will drag it, and then I also drag the other 3-1. So these are all my needs in this file. So my strategy is to open the Design Center and find the tree block file I downloaded from eCampus and insert the block here. Also, if you don't want to do it, you can just do Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to paste it into your file. But don't forget to change the scales and the layers, okay? And then I will do copy, specify base point, okay, just do somewhere in the middle. Let me see, I also have one big tree here and here. Here. Okay, I'll press CFC. Notice here your insertion point of trees does not need to be super accurate. And then I will go to the next step, is to create a new layout for the site plan. So in this layout, I already have this base map layout. I will right click it and rename it as base map. And here you will need to make a copy of base map and change the name to the site plan first. So I will right click the base map and click move or copy, and then I check the create a copy and check and click on the move to end and click OK. And then I will rename it as set plan. And then I will set up a layout. So the layout here is also 1 inches equal to 20 feet. I will go back. And now it seems that the scale looks good. So all of my drawings are inside the title block. So I don't need to modify my viewport. I just modify this title block a little bit. So I double click on the title block. Click OK. And this time the sheet name is site plan, and for your situation you should also modify the date. And I will close the block editor and save the changes. And then you should adjust the line type scale, set the global scale factor to 0.2. I remember that I also have done it in the assignment 5, so I don't need to do it now. I recommend that you check your scale of the viewport. So if you lock it from the last assignment, then you are good. Otherwise, you should check if it is exactly 1 to 214. And for the scale factor, if you didn't do it in the last assignment, you should in the property panel and go to layers, go to the line type and go to others and check if your global scale factor is set to 0.2. And then this is the new content of this assignment, to create a new plot style table. So I will go back to AutoCAD. And the plot style table is created in your page setup manager. So I right click on the site plan and click page setup manager. So I will modify my site plan. And here is my plot style table. I will click the drop-down menu and click New. And I will choose the first option, Start from Scratch, and click Next. And I will give the name to it. I will name it as Site Plan. And click Next. And I will click the Plot Style Table Editor. And this is my editor. Let's look at the instruction. So here is a suggested line hierarchy. I suggest that you follow strictly this hierarchy. So in this table, the thickest line is the building property, and then followed by paving line, tree, paving pattern, parking straps, street furniture, and title block. So first, the red color is the building property line. So we should set it to the line weight of 0.3 and color to black. So we will do a monochrome, which means black and white. So I will select all of the colors and set the color to black. So I will press Shift and click the first one and go to the very end, press Shift and click the very last one. And then I will change all of the color to the black. Okay, and then I will click the color 1. This is the red color, and I will select line weight of 0.3 And then for the yellow color, that is the paving outline. The line weight is set to 0.2, and the green is a tree, is set to 0.1. So I go back. The yellow color is 0.2, and the green color is 0.1. And then this color is the paving pattern is 0.05, and the blue color is 0.15. So go back. So the signing color is a paving pattern. It's a thinnest color. I will give 0.05, and the blue line, so we should give 0.15, and at last magenta, which is street furniture, 0.15, and the white color, some north arrows, 0.15. So magenta, 0.15, and black, also 0.15. And then I finish all this plot style table editor, and I will go back and click Save and Close, and click Finish. And then I'm going to plot my set plan to PDF. I can preview here. So it looks good. If you zoom in, you can see a very clear hierarchy. I have a very thicker building outline. And for the other line type, the tree is thicker than the paving pattern. So this hierarchy is correct. I will close it. And I will click OK to save my page setup. And close this window. Now I'm ready to plot this drawing to PDF. I will press Ctrl P. Continue. Because I have previewed, so I just continue clicking OK and save it as last name / assignment. This is 6, and this is my set plan, and save it somewhere. Okay, it looks good. Close it. And finally, I save my AutoCAD as assignment 6, site plan, save. Okay. This is my demonstration of my assignment 6, the midterm assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or provide some suggestions. Goodbye.